Hi, I'm Katura with BlueNotary, and today let's talk about common email addresses versus business email addresses. So if you've been using a common Gmail or Yahoo address, you're not doing anything wrong, but you're also missing an opportunity to level up your professionalism for your clients. A common email is what most people start with. A custom domain email uses your own website name. For example, hello@nearbynotary.com. That one small difference can change how people perceive your entire business. Now, why does this matter? Because a custom domain signals legitimacy. It says you're not just a casual hobby notary. You're a real business with a real structure. And in industries like ours, trust is everything. How do you get a business email? Well, step 1, choose your domain name. Use platforms like Squarespace or GoDaddy. Search for a name that matches your business identity. Step 2, once you purchase a domain name, connect that domain to an email service. Most domain platforms will offer you email hosting after you purchase the domain. You can also connect your domain name to providers like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. And step 3, create your new email address and start using it in your communications. With BlueNotary's white labeling, your custom domain email unlocks a full wraparound branded experience for your clients. So you'll go to your Manage tab and update your branded email settings so that when you send a session invitation, it looks like it came straight from your business email. We have our branding in the email. We have it as our signer is joining. We have our logo in the session, and then again here on the completion page for our signer. Your clients immediately feel like they're dealing with a professional service provider, and your credibility rises even before the session starts. So if you've been looking for an easy way to stand out, getting a business domain email is one of the fastest moves you can make. It makes your marketing cleaner, your branding stronger, and your BlueNotary sessions feel polished and custom built for your clients. So if this helped you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.